What's going on everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. I've been using the Pixel Fold for just over a little bit about a week now. I sent the Z Fold 5 back and I've been using the Pixel Fold. Pitaka and a good friend of mine, Michael, from Michael's Tech Talk, you'll find his channel linked down below, was kind enough to send over his Pixel Fold case. So I've got both of them. I've got the original, just carbon fibre, and I've got the one with the weave built in. Right in front of me I've got both MagEZ Case 3 for Pixel Fold. One's got Fusion weaving with Overture. Both got Pitaflow for phones. As you can see, both of them right there. Now I have been using this one for just a little over a week, but we will talk about what's been going on. On the back, slim and lightweight, premium aramid fibre, 3D grip and wireless charging friendly, and of course they are slim and lightweight and they fit perfectly on the Pixel Fold and it looks really good. If we go ahead and take this one out the box first, as this is the one I've been using, this is the one Pitaka sent me out and it's brand new. If we go ahead and take that one out like so, comes in this nice Pitaka box. It literally folds out like the phone and then you fold it out like so, and then there is the case. Little thank you card, and inside of course you've got the normal sort of what products they sell and sometimes as well how to fit to your Pixel Fold. So let's go ahead and take that one out. Okay, so there's that one. So what I'll do is I'll remove the other one as well so you can see both of them together. Folds out and folds out again. So little guide removing the case, place that out the way. Now let's bring in the Pixel Fold. Now I've been enjoying the Pixel Fold a bit more than I thought I would, to be honest. Feels great in the hand compared to the Z Fold 5. Feels fantastic. The one negative I want to mention is around the border of the camera housing. If you use another phone or you have anything else in your pocket, chances are you're going to cause some damage to the camera housing. Now I haven't caused, it's not damage, it's just took the paint off the edges. So if you use another phone, like I use the iPhone, also has a Pitaka case on it, when they rub up against each other, unfortunately it will remove the black paint from around the edge, which is what it's done to this one. But it comes with MagSafe. Everything that comes with MagSafe is just perfect. If it only comes with MagSafe, you know, you can use stuff like MagSafe chargers, etc. It's just literally slaps onto the back like so, and you can charge up your phone using MagSafe, which I use MagSafe chargers constantly upstairs in the bedroom and stuff, everywhere. MagSafe in the car. There's that one. So let's go ahead and fit this one first, seeing as how this one's been on the phone already. So place it over like so, snaps into place. Let's take this piece, snap over the front, and there you go. Covers the screen perfectly, so you can place this face down if you want to and it's not going to touch. The camera is nice and recessed into that housing, so you can place it down like so, and again it's not going to touch. When you fold it out, obviously you can see the hinge right there, but when you fold it, that's how much of the hinge you're going to be able to see. So it doesn't join completely when folded out. There's enough protection there that when you lay it flat, it's not going to touch that hinge, which is also a nice bonus. And then there you go. So there is that one with the Fusion weaving technology. Makes a really nice design. It's got a really nice grippy texture to it as well. And of course, as I said to you, now the phone's in there. Slap on a MagSafe charger, and it's now charging, but it is at 100% already. But Apple's MagSafe charger on the back of the Pixel Fold. Obviously you use any MagSafe charger and it's now fully fitted. So let's go ahead and take this one off and let's fit the standard carbon fibre or the aramid fibre one on its own. And there you go. There is the standard aramid fibre. This is going to be my new case going forward. I absolutely love that. I think that's absolutely perfect for me. Suits my style. Yeah, just absolutely gorgeous. I'm not going to put another phone in my pocket now with this. So I'm going to try and keep that black border as clean as possible. So I'll bring you an update video in a few weeks and I'll do like a YouTube short and show you if any damage is on this black bar right here from just being on its own. Pitaka logo on the bottom, same as this one, both Pitaka logos on the bottom right there, but cutouts right here all the way around, cutouts on the top. As I say, your hinge isn't protected, but you can place this face down, place it down that way and don't have to worry about it. But this is my new case going forward. But let me know which one you would pick in the comment section down below. Let me know which one you would go for your Pixel Fold. Down below you're going to find links to Pitaka's website, and also you may find a certain link down there too as well to one of my stores. Check the eBay store. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Which one would you go for? Would you go for the one with the fusion weaving, or would you go for the standard aramid carbon fibre look? Feels nice and textured, really nice grippy texture for your Pixel Fold. Of course you can pick this up for many other phones as well, and we've got many other phones still to come, so make sure you stay tuned. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Huge thank you to Pitaka for sending this one over. Huge thank you to Michael for sending this one over. And I'll catch you in the next one. But for now guys, take care, stay safe. I'll see you all soon.